Okay. Before I start this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Cindy. Cindy emailed me a couple weeks ago and she said that she wanted to send us something and that it was going to be coming in the mail and to look out for it, and I'm so appreciative. Alright guys, we have just stopped at the post office before coming home using the drone. And this, I can't remember.
I feel like it's going to be something for me.
I feel like it's going to be a blanket for me.
Think so? I think it's going to be like a robe set for me. With like
I hope this will be a bunk bed for me.
I'm pretty sure it's probably a New York Giant robe with one of those little fluffy robes. It is really tailor made.
I'm pretty
with
sure
the New York Giant
it's all of my school supplies.
Should it say Kilo anywhere on there?
Melisandre.
Oh, it's not a good sign.
3, 2, 1, go. We will only know
It looks big like
it is a full or a queen.
Oh,
it's
sounds like my bag.
I don't care. I know. I call that one then.
Nice.
You can have mine.
No, that looks like Layla's bed right
It says a full or a queen.
Yeah,
So
but I like big blankets.
we have a queen. You have a twin. So this is for me.
I don't care.
Something is coming for you. Stop it.
It's not a blanket.
It is. You can have my blanket, and it will match your room. Thank you. And it's my color, baby. It's my color. I love it.
That is awesome. Thank you guys. I mean, I would have been more impressed if it was a New York Giant robe with the New York Giant.
Let me open it.
Slippers.
Ooh.
That means
Wow.
I
Yes,
get your
yes,
pillows.
yeah, yeah.
I get your pillow sheets.
Sure, sure. Oh my God, this is, oh my gosh. This is a nice blanket.
Stop dragging, Mom.
And I got pillowcases. Oh, it's so nice. So, I am not. I'm really being appreciative.
For other people, not yourself.
Oh, I love it. I'm gonna put it on and then you guys are gonna see. Okay? So, I'll be right back. I will be
Does anyone have an extra
I will be
No.
right back. You have the pillow. Okay, here it is. Hold on, let me fix the pillows. Let me fix the pillows. I love it. It's very. Kilo said he needs a nap now. He's seeing that blanket made him instantly want to take a nap.
Instantly. Ready.
Okay, here it is. Oh, thank you. Thank you with all of my heart. Cross my heart, hope to die. Stick a needle in my eye. I love it. It made my day.
Let's check this bed cover out. Wow, it looks great.
Like that one.
It looks so adultish.
Even
Ooh,
though,
I like it.
even though I'm on his side and he's on my side.
Yeah, it does feel good though.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. I
Feel
can't
it
wait
with
to
your
wrap
hand.
my body all over it.
Your body. Feel it with your hand.
Let me feel it with my hands. Ew. My hands like it.
Okay.
Alright guys, that's enough of looking at us on our bed.
Say goodnight, Kilo.
Good night, guys. You saw me, I went to sleep. I actually had a dream right there. Guys, I just had a dream.
Look, my roots are coming out.
Your roots are on fire. We don't need no water, Mr. Motherfucker. Gray motherfucker. Gray. You don't need no do-rag. Let the bald head show. Let the bald head burn. Burn, bald head. Where'd that come from? Disrespectful. You're really disrespectful with that.
Alright, guys. You know what it is. It's another raw, uncut video. Shout out to Cherokee. Anyway, that's not how we go. Until the next video, we'll catch you on the flip side.
Peace and hair grease.
Thank you, Cindy. We really appreciate it. Kilo really appreciates it too. Now we don't need 2 blankets on our bed, right, babe?
Nice thick one, right?
It's really thick, right? Because Kilo kills me because he always feels like he needs 2 blankets. And so
that my type. That my crew, that my clique. That my fam, that my set.